In today's video, I'll show how to link a bank account to Notion AI. First, it's important to know that Notion AI does not directly support bank account linking. You can't connect your bank inside Notion like Stripe or PayPal, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. To connect your bank, you need to use a third-party integration like Finta, BankSync, or similar tools. Start by signing up for one of these tools and connect your bank account securely using services like Plaid. These tools act as a bridge between your bank and Notion. Next, connect the tool to your Notion workspace and select a database where your financial data will be stored. Once everything is set up, your bank transactions and balances will automatically sync into Notion. From there, Notion AI can help you analyze, organize, and summarize your financial data. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.